It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on, YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to pressure wash in the rain. All right, guys, this is what we have. We're doing concrete right now. I know y'all wondering if y'all can pressure wash in the rain. Yes, you can, under certain conditions, and also what exactly you're going to be pressure washing. I just got through pressure washing the house, and I did some pavers in the back. I have to do a porch. I can't do it now because it's raining, but I can do the concrete, which I have to do now. So what I'm hoping, what's going to happen is I have to do the curve right here in this little area where the sewer is. So I'm going to use just water to clean this area and stuff like that. So remember I said you can't use any kind of chemicals around this area and stuff like that because they don't want to go into the creek. So this makes more sense for me to go ahead and pressure wash this, using my surface cleaner and my wand, and only using water. So we're gonna do this whole curve, and then we're gonna start on the driveway. We're gonna work our way down the driveway. As we get down to the walkway, we're gonna have to cover the walkway up. Well, when we get to the walkway, we're gonna do the walkway. We're gonna do the stairs and the little bricks around the stairs. I already did the bricks on the house because I already did the house. I just got to do the stairs and this little area right here. All right, then we're gonna do the walkway again. Like I said, we have to do the driveway all the way back here. Also, we gotta do this retaining wall made of bricks. It's a lot of algae and stuff on top, so we're gonna have to treat that a little different. And we gotta do the driveway. Now, one good thing, if it doesn't stop raining like it is, it's not raining hard, guys. If it was raining hard, I wouldn't be out here doing this. So one thing is, if just like a light drizzle, you can get away with it. But if it's raining hard, I wouldn't probably do it, because if I have to use chemicals, there's no way possible that I can really get chemicals down for it and for it to stay down long enough for me to get it to kill any kind of organic matter, algae, or anything like that. But this is a customer that I've done in the past. So every 2 years I come out here and do the driveway, the house, and everything else. So what I have to do now, I got to do the driveway. It's not as bad as you think it is. So if it's having a bad area, it's going to be coming from off this gutter down in that little area right here. This car is not going to be able to move, so I got to try to figure out how to clean as much material around this car so it'll look, pretty decent. But when they move the car, there's going to be a spot there because I'm not going to be able to use a surface cleaner underneath it. Then I'm going to wash everything pretty much down to this area right here. And like I said, it has a creek and stuff like that, so the water that's coming from up top is coming down here. And like I said, it's going to some type of creek. So yeah, we don't want any kind of chemicals or anything get into the creek. So we're gonna try our best to avoid that. Right here, we got to do the stairs and stuff. And this is the porch that I haven't done. Like I said, I don't want to do this yet because I need some dwell time with the chemicals. So hopefully, as I'm starting the driveway and the concrete out here, it's going to stop raining because the rain is supposed to be off and on today. I want to get through with this as quick as possible because later on this afternoon, it's going to be very heavy rain. And right now, it's like I said, it's a light drizzle and it's just like it's just about to stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this real quick. So this is a 3% that I have mixed right here. But before we use that, we're gonna go ahead and start on the curves and get everything cleaned out there first. From that point, I had to do the surface cleaner, then rinse everything down. hopefully when I get through with the rinse down, we can go ahead and do a post treatment on the concrete. That way we won't leave it in the marks or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get the pressure washer cranked up, and we're gonna get started with the curve first. All right, guys, I got the curve clean. As you can see, the difference between this and that right there. This is all water, no chemicals. Got it cleaned all the way down to here. All the way back here. I'm gonna stop at the property line right over here at the neighbors. Everything covered. This is clean. When it dries, it's going to look even better and stuff like that. Right now, it's still wet. It stopped raining, so I can go ahead and do a pre-treatment on the driveway now. So, which I'm about to do that, and we're going to let that dwell a little bit, and then we're going to come back to it and continue to wash. We're going to do the wash all the way down to the end, and don't forget we got to do the walkway and we got to do the porch. Okay, guys, it's raining. It stops. It's raining, it stops. And right now, it stopped. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this driveway done. I did the outside of the street and stuff like that, but now we're gonna get the driveway. Okay, guys, I did this top portion right here. As you can see, I did a post treatment, so that's gonna settle in. Notice all the rocks and gravel and stuff on there, so you don't have to really worry about it like it's dirty. If you look at it real close, those are little rocks and gravel. So this concrete is kind of old and stuff like that, so that's the reason it looks like that. But it's going to look white with the little rocks and stuff that's going to be penetrated as it come through. But this is clean, guys. I treated all this up here. Now they're like an oil stain, so I'm gonna see how that did. I just, like I said, I did a post treatment right here, and basically I got all this done. But when I get through, I'm gonna go back and look at that. Then I might use the pump spray and use a stronger chemical right there, just in case I need to get that spot up a little bit more. But it's going pretty good. As you can see, the weather is holding up. So this is the after with all the little rocks and stuff, but this is the before. So you can't really tell, you know, you can't really see the rocks and stuff right here, but you can right here. So there's nothing I can do about that. But that's because, like I said, wear and tear over time. And when I get down through here, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna see a lot more of those specks and stuff like that. I started right here on the stairs, right here on this wall I started, but I am gonna go ahead and get all this stuff done. So I got a charge on the phone a little bit now. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up for a time lapse, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of this done. guys, as you can see, I did a post treatment on this part right here. I did a post treatment on the wall. Probably got to do a little bit more at the top and stuff because it was real heavy, so I'm gonna go back with the pump sprayer. But yeah, I did a pump sprayer. But yeah, I did a post treatment on the driveway all the way to the top. I'm doing this. So now I'm gotta grab this part right here, but before I get down here, we gotta do the stairs, we gotta do the porch, and we gotta do this walkway. So I'm gonna do that first before I start moving my stuff down this way. But as you can see, it's coming along. So we're gonna let that dwell, just keep dwelling stuff. Like the well's gonna hold up, it may not rain no more today. I won't say that because as soon as I say that, it's gonna start raining. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get as much as I possibly can, which is just this and that little piece back here. So I'm gonna do this piece first, then I'm gonna move my truck up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this. All right, let's go. Alright guys, let me show you this. I'm showing you everything because it's getting dark on me. This was a big job, so I'm trying to show you everything so that way you won't be missing out on anything. I got all this clean. I got to do a post treatment over here, so I'm going to take the pump spray and spray this part because the pavers, like, it just works a lot better when you use post treatment with a pump sprayer. Alright, over here, same thing. These pavers right here, I'm gonna do a post treatment. This little wall, retaining wall, I'm gonna do a post treatment with a pump sprayer. That way it'll get all the spots and stuff out of this. And also get in here, I couldn't get in here too good, but when I use the pump sprayer at stronger strength, that should get all that stuff up. All right, this is just gonna basically regular downstream with this part right here. That way I can get this done. Then I'm gonna rinse this off over here and continue around this corner. So we're just about finished, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you down, and we're gonna just go back and get started again. That car's not gonna move because it's broke down, so we're gonna work around it and get everything clean as best as we can. All right. All right, guys, it is dark, you can see, but the iPhone is helping, you know, y'all get a good view of it and stuff. But this is done. This is the post-treatment. I'm sorry you ain't gonna be able to see how it looks after the post-treatment, but it is what it is. This was an all-day thing, but it was a big ticket customer, so we got it done though. I'm gonna go up here, cut the water off, and grab my hose. Okay, Aquamanites, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm sorry that I couldn't get everything in before it got dark, but it is what it is. But I did show you, like I said, majority of the stuff that I pre-treated and stuff like that, so the rest of it is going to look exactly like what I showed you earlier and stuff like that. Okay, I hope that you found this video entertaining. If not, at least I hope that you learned something from it. If not, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Aquamini Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquamini.